Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Glasswire to the latest version. Glasswire is a powerful network monitoring and firewall tool that helps you track app usage, bandwidth and suspicious connection. Keeping it updated ensures you have the latest features, security patches and bug fixes. First, what you can do is open to your Glasswire app. And over here in the top left, we can see this is a Glasswire connection menu. What you can do is go to this about here and you can find your current version. You can go to this upgrade now in order to find your current version as well, and Glasswire can update automatically or manually. And if a new version is available, Glasswire will show a pop-up notification when you launch it, and there you'll find this update and the follow on-screen instruction to download and install. Always close the Glasswire before updating. Your firewalls, rules, alerts, and app classifications will remain intact after updating. Free and paid version update the same way. Then close the Glasswire completely and run the update. And launch Glasswire again and you can enjoy the latest features and the fixes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.